Strong winds have caused debris to fall at Adams and Wacker, hitting a taxi cab.
Nancy is live in the loop with more. Nancy?
Well, Robin and Larry, the scene is the ongoing construction at the base of the Willis Tower. We're right at the tower, and of course there's a bus blocking the scene. But right around 7:30 this morning, high winds blew off some of the wooden signage that is on the scaffolding, and one sign slammed into a taxi cab below. Now, the sign shattered the windshield of the cab and slightly injured the driver, who was waiting at a light on Adams at Wacker. The sign had apparently been knocked off by a gust of wind. It was on the scaffolding around the construction at the base of the Willis Tower, as I mentioned. The driver was placed into an ambulance for observation, and an EMT gave me a thumbs up. Also, fire officials are indicating that driver will be okay. Now, crews on the work site had no comment on the incident, but they appeared to take measures to further secure the scaffolding. We're hearing that at least one passenger was also in the cab. That person is okay. Fire officials are telling me that they're anticipating other potential problems because of this wind, obviously with gusts of up to 60 miles an hour. And they're also warning people to, keep their heads up because of potential things flying around in this weather. That's the latest. We're live at the Willis Tower. Nancy Liu, WGN News.